guys, today we are going to be making some steak. Yeah.
Steak and eggs.
Steak and eggs. This one's for the eggs, that one's for the steak.
Yep.
I didn't know that.
Okay. Salt.
Salt.
Pepper.
Pepper.
And that one?
That.
Not that one. Oh gosh. Hey-o. Hey-o. This is our first cooking video, guys. We're really excited. Well, I'm more excited than Arch, I think.
Marco.
What?
No, you are not.
Sure?
For sure.
How do you know?
Because I know you.
And you know I love cooking.
No, you don't.
I don't. I never cook for y'all.
Yeah, you do.
Do it?
Yeah.
Just sometimes.
No! Why is there so much? The heck was that? You already put some on there.
Did I?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna eat steaks already.
Why does it have these little...
Ice crystals?
Oh. I bet y'all never do that. Ice crystals can make your stomach hurt. If you eat too many.
Can they?
Yeah, that's what you told me.
Here.
How many?
Here.
How many do I need to get out?
I'll
do 2 or 3.
I want you.
Want me to go ahead and crack them? Huh?
No. Eyes on. Because we're going to fry these eggs, not scramble.
So we're just going to go...
2 steaks at a time.
Want to go ahead
This will be our steak plate.
Want me to break the middle?
No, steak plate. We'll start cooking the eggs about halfway through this first round of meat. Welcome, guys, to Kitty Cat Lover 123 Food.
Well, I'm using his Gmail.
It's her YouTube, my Gmail. She's the creator. She's awesome.
I forgot to tell y'all this in the very first video. I'm gonna be doing like a lot of things, not just like one thing. Not just like one thing.
There's gonna be multiple areas at which she makes videos for.
Yeah. Like cooking. How did that not fall? How about that, Mason? My finger.
Are you amazed? So we got a father-daughter dance coming up.
It's on the 24th.
24th that we're pretty excited about.
Yeah.
Because I must move.
Like what?
Just kidding, I know. I'll try.
Well, what if they do like...
A dance competition, we will lose.
How?
Because I don't dance, baby. I don't know how to
What if
dance.
they have like the seagull? Where it's just like the father's like doing like a
Yeah,
dance?
I won't do that.
Wow.
I don't know, I might. For you, I will.
You could do a backflip.
I can't go backflip.
Why?
Because then everybody will leave. Because it'll be so awesome. No one will want to dance with us because they can't do it. We'll be dancing by ourselves.
There's gonna be a lot of people. I mean a lot.
Hey, you see the sign-up thing?
Oh.
They said there's a limited number of tickets.
No, they stopped selling them in a couple of days. But I already got it.
Yeah, we went
Here,
ahead and got our tickets.
I'll show y'all my ticket.
Yeah, show them the ticket, Arch.
Y'all wait. Well, they could already see it because it's like I go it on the fridge, but they can see it up close. See? It says to purchase 2. And yeah.
I don't know if we'll be able to make a video at the dance, but we'll make a video on the way and afterwards for y'all. For those who are interested.
Yeah. Or if they allow, if we can make a video, then I will.
Yeah. I'll have to ask our teacher Monday or Tuesday. Alright, first get you some butt hair. Put some butt hair in that little skillet.
Guys, it's not butt hair, it's butter. This.
Cut off a chunk.
Nice.
About half that and then half it again.
Like
now
that?
half that again.
What?
Because a lot of butter for 2 eggs.
Yeah,
If we
yeah.
were making scrambled eggs, we'd use that much.
Perfect. Like this. Put this one on.
Yep.
This is one way to do it, right?
Yep.
You want to do it like all over?
Yep. Alright, here you go. Flip it.
What was that?
Water.
Pie scramble.
We're not scrambling.
Wait, can I,
Yep.
right now?
Just crack it. Yep, break it open. Try not to break the yolk. There you go, good go. Guys, she just cracked her first non-scrambled egg.
Oh, where do I put this?
In the trash. Steak's looking good. How's them eggs looking, bro?
They can't see it.
No, I'm talking to you.
Ooh, that started bubbling.
I'll show you how to do one of it.
Hey guys,
It's the eggs.
hold on. Can they
And
see it? Can they see it?
Egg.
And this one.
Eggs, yes.
Can they see?
Uh-oh. Cracked one, but that's okay.
At least one of them is the popped.
Oh, I got the cheese out. What, buddy? Huh?
Oh, we might make a cake for dessert.
Yep.
But that's gonna be a part 2.
More. Cheeky. What? Huh?
Oh, and guys, today is the day when I get my package. This isn't part 3 or anything. I just now remembered. It's coming around at 8 p.m.
We'll make a video when we go get it. Not 8 p.m. by 8 p.m. tonight. When they update it and put it in the glove or the mailbox, they'll tell me it's been delivered. That way we don't keep going down and checking.
Hopefully it's the right one. Like last time it wasn't. But at least I got the dresses, right?
Mm-hmm.
At least I got dresses.
Mm. Mm.
Ow.
Copy?
No.
You gotta taste your
Piece
work.
of steak.
You gotta chase your work.
In your work? You did the steak. Mmm. Good.
You got 2 more eggs?
More eggs?
I want 2.
Huh?
I want to.
Okay. Do you like it? Go ahead and put the butt hair on.
A little bit of butt hair.
We're just like.
It's not really hair from my butt, guys. It's butter.
They know that. Hold on.
Not margarine, butter. And she's gonna cook my eggs by herself. I'm not gonna help at all. You're great. We got Super Mario movie on in the back.
You want to crack it?
Cracking.
Crack
Get cracking. Get it cracking. Bet you don't want to touch one.
Really?
Here you go. A little harder.
Ooh! Hopefully you didn't pop it.
You better not break. Get closer.
Sorry. It came off. Hey, at least it didn't break.
Yeah, it did. It's okay though. Here you go.
At least it's in one.
Yep.
Oh my god. Like all over it.
About 3 or 4 turns. It's hard for you because your nails. That's it.
Only 2.
Oh. Hey, Audrey, you saw you. I got to deliver this food to your mom. Don't worry, guys. She's a professional. If you need help flipping the eggs, I'll help you.
Yeah, I might need help.
Okay.
Don't mind me, guys. Let me just check on this. Ooh, it's almost done. Yeah. This side is almost done.
You can go and flip them.
Ah, it's stuck. Bro, why is it stuck? Okay, like right over here. It looks like that they're done. Yeah, that's what has to be done. Is it?
It took a little bit longer. Okay, ready?
Ew. Is that what's it?
Trading places.
Won't you go ahead and get it?
And we're not going to tell y'all to go hit that like button and subscribe. You can if you want to, but we're not going to shove that shit down your throat.
We're not gonna go like. We are definitely not gonna go. Hit the like and subscribe button, or else I'll bomb your house.
Yeah,
No.
we're not crazy like that.
Like other people.
You're welcome to if you want to.
Yeah. I'm trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers. That's why I can get the silver play button. Is that what it's called?
I think so.
Yeah, it is. Let me ask my Siri. I'm sorry if my recording goes off.